There's Mount Taranaki. What a peach. Best volcano-shaped volcano. Not much snow on the top today, but still looks good. We are really in the middle of absolutely nowhere, and this car is not liking it. There's lots of bad noises coming out of here. We've got really the worst car for the job. Talk about a close call. We're nearly out of fuel. We had 3 kilometres left on the fuel gauge. Oh man, that was close. How you doing?
I'm still here.
You're doing well.
Whee, look at that.
Oh, great. Yeah. You're doing well.
I'm getting there. I'm too busy looking at my feet to look at the view.
Yeah, well, we'll stop for that. Don't you worry. There we go. Made it to this bit.
Yeah.
Oh, we're at Mount Taranaki. It's the biggest volcano you'll ever see. Oh, is it? I don't know. It's one of the biggest ones in New Zealand. I don't know if it is the biggest. Certainly the most volcano-y shaped volcano. Not that you can see the top because it's covered in clouds. Should put my walking boots on. Long way down there. Watch your step on this bit.
I am. This is just a bit to fall over on.
It really is.